It's an extremely interesting paper, has been done very competently. The paper has been presented elsewhere at several places, and I was in audience at these other places. And I know that the paper has taken into account the comments made by previous discussants. So there is really very little to say by way of suggestions to improve the paper, but I'll still try to do my job as a discussant and suggest a few things which the authors may want to take into account. Just very quickly, a recap of the paper. The main issue that the paper analyzes is whether trade liberalization in India has caused a sharper poverty decline in India. The paper really has two main innovations. A lot of this work has been done using the cross-country data, and results are somewhat mixed. This paper, I think for the first time, uses the data for Indian states. So it looks at the cross-state variation to get to the question of whether trade liberalization results in faster poverty decline. And therefore, it estimates regressions of poverty rates across states. And here is the other innovation of the paper. It constructs an index, or really a variable of trade liberalization, effective trade liberalization. Trade policy is decided at the national level, but its effect may differ across states depending on what their pattern of specialization is. So if a state specializes in a particular industrial activity which has been liberalized more than the other, then in effect the state faces a larger trade liberalization, and that's the variable that has been constructed by Rana and his co-authors, and it's a very neat innovation in my judgment. And then, just to make sure that the link is established accurately and precisely, it controls for other variables which might affect the link between trade liberalization and poverty, and these are developmental expenditure per capita, labor market regulation, availability of infrastructure, especially road connectivity, and financial development. And each one of these has been interacted with trade liberalization, besides controlling for these by themselves in the regressions.